Your front entry door is more than just an entrance, it's a statement about your home. It welcomes guests, sets the tone for your property's style, and provides a crucial layer of protection for your family. In Scott, where Southern hospitality meets modern living, an entry door replacement can be one of the most valuable investments you make for both curb appeal and home security. Enhancing curb appeal with a new entry door. First impressions matter, especially when it comes to your home's exterior. A worn, faded, or outdated front door can make an otherwise beautiful house look neglected. Replacing your entry door instantly refreshes your facade, creating a more polished, welcoming appearance. Style options. Modern entry doors come in a range of designs and materials to match any aesthetic. Whether your home in Scott leans toward classic Southern charm, contemporary minimalism, or rustic farmhouse appeal, you can find a door style that complements your architecture. Popular materials include fiberglass doors, known for their versatility and durability. Steel doors, offering a sleek, strong presence with minimal maintenance. Wood doors, adding timeless warmth and elegance. Color and finish. Your front door's color can dramatically influence your home's visual impact. Homeowners in Scott often choose bold shades like navy, deep red, or forest green to make their entrance stand out, while neutral tones like charcoal or beige create a sophisticated, cohesive look. Glass inserts and decorative touches. Adding decorative glass panels, transoms, or side lights can elevate your entryway. These features bring natural light into your foyer and highlight craftsmanship that catches the eye of neighbors and visitors alike. Boosting home security with a durable entry door. Aesthetics aside, the entry door serves as your home's first line of defense. Upgrading your front door not only enhances beauty but also provides essential security improvements that bring peace of mind. Strong materials and reinforced frames. New entry doors are built with multi-layer cores, reinforced steel plates, and impact-resistant designs that make forced entry significantly more difficult. Modern door frames are also engineered to prevent kick-ins and reduce warping, ensuring your door fits tightly and securely in all weather conditions. Advanced locking systems. When replacing your entry door, consider installing multi-point locking systems or smart locks. These high-tech options provide enhanced protection while offering convenience, allowing you to monitor and control access remotely via your smartphone. Energy efficiency and insulation. A secure door is also an energy-efficient door. Many new entry doors feature insulated cores, weather stripping, and tight seals that keep conditioned air inside your home. In Scott's warm climate, this can lead to noticeable savings on energy bills while maintaining comfort year-round. Why entry door replacement is a smart investment. According to home improvement experts, an entry door replacement can deliver one of the highest returns on investment, ROI, among exterior upgrades. The benefits extend beyond aesthetics and security. Increased property value for potential resale. Improved energy efficiency, leading to long-term cost savings. Reduced maintenance needs, especially with fiberglass or steel models. Enhanced comfort and noise reduction, thanks to better sealing technology. Homeowners in Scott appreciate the combination of beauty, strength, and efficiency that modern entry doors offer. Whether you're preparing your home for sale or simply upgrading for comfort and safety, a well-chosen replacement door adds lasting value and charm. Final thoughts. Your entry door sets the stage for your home's character and safeguards what matters most. With today's variety of materials, finishes, and security options, replacing your front door is one of the easiest ways to enhance your home's curb appeal, security, and efficiency, all in one upgrade. If your current door shows signs of aging, draftiness, or wear, now is the perfect time to explore entry door replacement in Scott. A new door doesn't just transform your home's exterior, it transforms the way you feel every time you step inside.